Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you on how to log in into Yosi Health account. Through this video, you will get the guide on how you could log in into the Yosi Health account easily. Now follow the following step. First of all, open up your preferred browser, whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other devices. Now, in this address bar, type in Yosi Health login. Once you type in Yosi Health login, hit enter, and right below here you see the Yosi Health website. So click on this website. Now you will be directed into the official website of the Yosi Health. Here in this right top corner, you will see the login option. So click on the login option. Now you will be directed into the login page of the Yosi Health. Here, type in your email or username, and right below, type in your password. Once you type in your username and password, make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are certain, click on the login button below the login field. Once you are logged in, depending on your role and permission, you will have access to different features and resources within the platform. Through this way, you can easily log in into the Yosi Health account through your computer. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.